Hi, let's make homemade chicken stock. For that, I have bones of a chicken which I am going to brown in a little oil. Stir it around. To that, add garlic and onion with the peels, some ginger, leek, the white and the green part of it, carrots, celery, all roughly chopped. Here I have some pods of the peas after shelling I had used, just the pea shells and cauliflower leaves. To that I'm going to add a bay leaf and some peppercorns. Now we'll add 4 cups of hot water and cook it in the pressure cooker for 4 whistles. There, your quick chicken stock is ready. Cool it, strain it and save it in a bottle. Thank you.